Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Boost Brothers Garage. Today, we got a mess. We've been pulling the transmission out of the Cayman. We're getting ready to do the clutch and the flywheel. Had the engine bay off. We taped everything off. We did fully degreased the engine today. We're doing belts. We're doing some basic maintenance, oil change. Got some half sanded wheels on the car, so it's in transformation mode. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys, we got the Cayman transmission out down here. It's a filthy mess. I'm gonna spend some time trying to get it cleaned up. Gonna move underneath the car, go ahead and pull off the pressure plate. That clutch was slipping through every single gear, pretty extreme. So I'm expecting it to be a disaster. So once I get it out, I'll show you guys what we got.
Actually not.
It's not, I mean, it's grooved quite a bit. But it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. They're not coming off. Oh. All right, guys. So got the clutch and the flywheel, pressure plate out of the car. Laid them here on the bench so we can show you the difference. So you can see the difference in the pressure plates. They look pretty similar. This is the stock Sachs here. And then we have the ZF Race Engineering, also a Sachs pressure plate here. They both weigh right about the same amount. We got the clutch disc. I had to go, because we're doing the Aasco lightweight flywheel, I had to move to a sprung disc instead of the stock unsprung, as you can see here. So this is the stock disc, pretty much wore away everything on there. Then you have the Sachs ZF race clutch here. As you can see, sprung as we discussed, and quite a bit more friction material on here. So should notice a big difference. Then we move over to the flywheels. This is where the biggest difference is here. So we have the stock dual mass flywheel here, and we have the Aasco single mass lightweight billet here. So if you can watch, I don't know what the stock one weighs, but I know I have to pick it up with two hands and put quite a bit of effort into it. The Aasco I can pick up with one hand. This one weighs 14 pounds, I believe. So allow the car to rev much quicker. Also should help with heel toe downshifting, stuff like that. So excited to get in the car. That's what we're going to do now. Alright guys, so we just got the flywheel put in. We lined up the torque plate, which there's only one orientation that you can get it in, so you have to fiddle with it a few times. You put the bolts in, torque them down to 20 foot-pounds, and then you will take them out one by one, put Loctite on, and then you will put them back in a star pattern and torque them down to 55 foot-pounds. And that's where we're at now. So time to move on to the clutch disc and pressure plate. So got the flywheel and pressure plate and clutch in the car tonight. We didn't film taking out the transmission. We're not going to film putting it back in. It's pretty straightforward. We will put, we used a
Pelican parts.
Pelican parts, yeah. So we used, they had a guide, a tutorial on taking out the transmission. So we used that. We're going to put it down below so you guys can reference it if you guys need to do the same thing. Should be the same for Boxsters and Cayman Gen 1s. But yeah, nothing too difficult. It was a little tough getting the slave cylinder out and some of the linkage up there, but nothing major. Clutch and flywheel went in pretty simple, and we're going to call it a night tonight. Come back tomorrow, go ahead and mount up the transmission and give it a test run. So we will see you on the next video. Appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye. All right, guys. Got the Cayman clutch right here. It's a filthy mess. Oh, shit. I wasn't... All right. Holy fuck. Bloopers. Yeah. I'm a fucking idiot.